Social story. When I have to wait a long time. Have you ever had to wait and it felt really hard? Sometimes I have to wait for a long time. I might wait in line, wait for my turn, or wait for help. Waiting can feel slow and difficult. I might feel bored, upset, or frustrated. It is okay to feel this way. I can try to stay calm while I wait. I can take slow, deep breaths to help my body feel better. I can use a fidget tool to help my hands stay busy while I wait. I can read a book or look at pictures while I wait. I can keep my hands and body calm. I can think quietly or look around while I wait. If I need help, I can ask politely. Waiting will end, and my turn will come. I can be patient while I wait. I am doing a good job waiting. I did a great job being patient.